Mimi, don't be afraid. I know you're surprised to see me.
Who are you?
I am the daughter of the 7 goddess of this land. My name is Ifenkili. I am here to protect you. Nana will not marry you. Before you were born, you were destined to marry the king of this land.
The king? You must be joking. Do I have what it takes to be the king's wife? I'm not sure you know what you're talking about, and don't even go about Nana. I love him and I know he loves me too. Please, I was busy before you came here to act this your drama.
Mimi, be warned. The reason why I'm here is because you are the key destiny to your family. I will not warn you again.
Oh, Chim. Anokwa mo ozota. Okwa no king's wife. Because I'm not up your name. Odogun. Where have you been? I've been searching all over. I didn't see you.
So where is the money?
Odogun, the money. Seriously, I don't know what to say, but I have nothing left to sell. Odogun, I've sold all my mom's gold. Like, I have nothing. Please understand me.
I should understand you.
Of course now.
I should understand you. We agreed that if you are coming here, you are going to come with the money.
Yes, I know. Nana, calm down.
I should calm down.
Of course.
Okay, so I should understand you.
Of course.
I should understand you. Nana, I should understand you. So you came here just to say trash.
Say trash.
In fact, since you are unable to get the money, it is over between us.
It is over?
Yes.
How? Is it because of the money?
Yes. It's because of the money. What do you want me to do? A whole Nana like me. Only baby before. I won't get the broke. No now. If you need me, you know what to do. Do the needful.
Nana, I thought you said you loved me. Was it because of the money? But I've been giving you. Understand me this last time, please.
Go committed. Love without money is nonsense. You get me? In fact, when you are ready,
please,
I will know.
Please.
If you are ready for this relationship, you know what to do.
Nana, please. Nana, please, don't go. Nana, please. Hey!
Wow. Is it not okay, can you just land? Wow, we have a great resources in this land. My father is a really great man. One day, and you know, one day I'll become the great man, like my dad.
Of our land. This is their land too, even this one.
Wow.